So, in this tutorial I am going to explain how to knit a scalloped edge. So, on my needles at the moment I have a length of knitting like so, and at this point I have knitted 4 rows of garter stitch, which is every row knit, and now I'm going to demonstrate how to knit this scalloped edge. So at this point I'm going to knit 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and at this point you would do the scallop stitch. So what you need to do is take the right hand needle, bring it to the front of the work, bring it over the front of the knitting, take it round to the back, and then insert the right hand needle into the front of the first stitch on the left hand needle, like so. Then you need to take this stitch off the left hand needle, bring the right hand needle back round to the front like so, and then you need to knit this stitch, and this is what gathers up the knitting like so. So once again, knit 6 stitches, and now you can all see what a very slow knitter I am. Like so. So there's 6 stitches. So once again, take the right hand needle over the front of the work like so, bring it round to the back, insert the needle into the front of the first stitch on the left hand needle, take this stitch off the needle, bring it right back round to the front like so, and then knit into this stitch and pull the yarn quite firmly. And one last time, so knit the 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once again, take the right hand needle over the front of the knitting like so, bring it round to the back, insert the needle into the front of the first stitch, take this needle off the left hand needle, bring it round to the front, twisting the knitting, and then knit this stitch. Pull in the yarn tightly. There we go, and then as you can see on the length of the knitting here, you have a pretty scalloped edge, which is quite easy to do, I think. Thank you.